Hi, my name's Bryn.
My name is Dana.
I'm Abdallah.
My name is Andre.
My name is Hendrik.
I have lived in Amsterdam now for a year and a half.
3 years and a couple of months.
For 4 years.
1 year.
I was born in Somalia and came here with my parents as refugees when I was 4 years old.
I moved here from Minnesota, which is where I spent the first 23 years of my life until I did my semester abroad in Amsterdam, fell in love with the city. They are two different worlds. The people, the buildings, the culture.
My first memory of Amsterdam, I have fond memories of like ice skating through the canals.
My first memory of Amsterdam was when I came to the central station and I saw the mass of people. I come from Finland, a really small town.
I originally come from a former island called Urk. Living in Amsterdam is much different because Urk is a small fishing village. Everybody says hi to each other on the street. I kind of took that with me here.
I had been living in Silicon Valley, the Bay Area, just out of San Francisco for about 20 years and was ready for a change. Here, you get the benefits of a city lifestyle. At the same time, the locals like to say that Amsterdam is actually just a big village. You get Americans, some folks from South America, Russia, Scandinavia.
I wish I had told myself before moving, or I wish I had known before moving that you really need to be careful to invest one-on-one time with friends, or you're going to have a lot of friends and no close people to go to with the harder stuff.
I was shocked how easy it was to connect with people. When you start a conversation, everyone is actually up for discovering what you do and what you like.
I do find it very easy to connect with people. If I'm waiting for a traffic light or for a bridge that went open, I'm used to start a conversation, and I think people also like that. And if they don't, they have some bad luck.
If I'm with people, I would go out for drinks after running. And another thing that I really love to do in my free time is go boating. It feels like a holiday every time I'm on the boat.
I read a lot, so I live in the middle of the city and I can keep my front door open. And it's not a problem.
I love the way people socialize their dogs. You know, you can go to the park and dogs are just running free.
I moved to the Netherlands for love and I ended up in Amsterdam for myself.
First Pride Day was when I suddenly realized, okay, I'm not in Kansas anymore. I'm living in Amsterdam.
My Amsterdam story was a naive one. It was a period of really rapid growth for me.
I moved here because of a girl. She left and I stayed.
Describe Amsterdam as my home.